So the first setup I'm looking at over here with Attila and Federico will be a 420, 430 pop and fill short on lays. Open. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
One short.
No, not yet. Now, so we are short at 408, risking 410. Tesla, Jana rejection. We're looking for support to break is 388. You can see on Bookmap over here. So we are on lays, guys, at this short over here into the short side area. Target is going to be 369, but we need to break this daily level, also fib level 288, okay? Halted down on APVO? No, not yet. Market MU, PLTR are pushing in the meantime, setting up for a long. Oklo as well. So PLTR long, 171. Hood long, 120.60. And then Oklo long 100. Anybody short with us on lays from the supply area? Major J Slim on the 3-minute chart, you can see. Now we have VWAP. Oklo working, guys. PLTR working definitely pretty good. MU working also, long play. And Hood. So over here we have, I'm going to repeat it, Hood, we have the long, PLTR, we have the long, and also Oklo, we have the long. All these are based on our forecast that tells you reverse of 50, under over, and also you'll see over here Oklo giving an under over, okay? So lays in the meantime, you see the J-Slim, that's a confirmation of your short. We need to break down now 377, going to 366. So over here, we're writing down PLTR long 171, put long 120.60, and also Oklo on 100 long, okay? So Oklo over here. We need this confirmation. We need now the market to be strong bullish. In lays, we are in around 410 short. Tesla long play over here. If it holds 429, then we're going to look for a strong long. So PLTR strong, hood strong, very good. Oklo we're holding. Tesla over here, almost long play, okay? We need to break instead over here on lays that support the 360.77 VWAP, and we have the target 368, 369. Are you still in, Federico? Are you still in?
Yeah, I
Okay, good.
long and a short on lace.
Very good. Google following, so the market is really bouncing over here. Very proud of you, team. PLTR going, hold it. Hood going, hold it. Oklo, we are still holding it. Tesla over here instead, still not a good long play. So we need to wait at 429, 439. Let's see if we're gonna do that, okay? You can see Oklo, all bullish. PLTR, all bullish on the over. Reverse 50 on the over. Okay, first target hit right now on lays. Cover half. 370. Cover. 370. Very good. Anybody short with us on lays? So we took the short based on our system and use heat map over here. Soak. You can see the heat map just below over here. 410. Short area 410. 370, the first target. So 40 cents win. Pretty good for the team. Okay. So remember the timing, no anticipation. Timing, no anticipation. Okay, team? Very good.
Yes.
QBT, QBTS both long, Google long, MU long, PLTR long. Everything is pushing strong. So Oklo can get out, scratch. PLTR hold it. Hood hold it. I'm gonna put over here QBT. And also we have Google, all long plays. Okay, team. So right now is risk break even on lays. Remember, always potential squeezes from J lines or TP $3.